Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is uh, Mantle MNT project. We discuss about today Mantle. That means as the MNT project and what have Mantle and MNT project. We discussion about project will be the out and the launch poll. That means have this project or not project. Not this project as this project on this on the prompt on this project, and we check will be the folder airdrop project and not a 47 project. We check with the on the movements and crack the streaming, and we check will be the chat about this project, and we link the and what are the project introduction and this project meant see the more we check the project information of Mantle. This is the language used on the Chinese language. We will get that language in English. So how start we language of the English, and we should change the language of the English of this project, and have the extension about this project for access, not about this is English language of this project, and selection of this project. Inverting the future of the Chin finance being grabbed to your everyday world where finance is fair and efficient of the accessible forward of the tokenized technology and open to all. Annotation parallels Mantle network and MTH. We well checked about the Mantle network, about the mass adoption of the token governed technologies, and advanced Mantle network technical reviews about. You have to learn more about this project, and you change the with mobile network Ethereum largest L2 network with ZK proofs Mantle treasury and token holder governor roadmap for products and antivirus. Wow, all about Mantle refuel. This project Mantle network gaming ecosystem spotlight. Join Mantle games fast and earn from a 300k MNT prize pool, and this website about you read your experience not experience all announcements, and inside the Mantle games fast complex into Mantle network approach to gaming. Mantle network is teaming up with the Hyperplay, a Web3 native game store and multi-chain game store aggregator to launch a month-long campaign spotlighting some of the most exciting and check me the more about the Fala network brings crossless confidence capture of the Mantle. We check more about of this project and the Fala Mantle network, and we check the Mantle network is expanding as developers stop with the integration of Fala network next generation crossless cloud platform that brings secure, verifiable and privacy competition of the ecosystem. Bullet on the hybrid infrastructure combining trusted execution environment multi-party composition MPC, and zero knowledge proofs ZKPs, and Fallace Max Zero Trust computing accessible and affordable. With this integration, developers on mental network can explore a new frontier of confidential AI, private DeFi, and secure off-chain logic for next generation Web3 application. Square composition made accessibility for builders as the demand for privacy, privacy and intelligent dApps grows. Fala provides the missing layer through computational compute backed of the Mantle Network project. Dear friends, we will discuss about today how structuring evolved. This project used for many works and many talks. That's like that. This project includes the ecosystem and traditional ecosystems for others of the mental network, and that means in the mental. That means the mental of the half mental, full mental. You can early knows launch AI agents, P, deploy confidential AI models and logic in secure environments, in securing tamper-proof execution with full verifiability, execute off-chain logic with trust, use Pala as a blockchain and secure environment, ensuring tamper-proof execution with full variability, execute off-chain logic with trust, use Fala as a blockchain coprocessor for secure interference, private Oracle, ME defense, and Web2 access. Tap into the AI agent economy, bullet decentralized autonomous agents that interact with blockchains and real-world data, all while protecting user data and model integrity. Sinly, a consumer and ecosystem lead at mobile network ads, integrating file network brings an entirely new layer of privacy and secure off-chain compute to mental network. It gives our developer more tools to build an intelligent privacy preserving application that push the boundaries of what possible in Web3 from AI agent to zero trust DeFi and beyond. 400 in cloud credit for mental builders. about Mantle project that planning coming on the audience actually more can see more adoption of this project like God. Discuss about the Fala and Mantle network and secure compute model accessible of the builders. That means that's who mans that's builds of this project that secure compute and accessible of the builders as the demand for privacy, uh, preserving and intelligent the apps grow proves the missing layer through confidential compute backed by cryptographic proof web remote assistance by leveraging Fala infrastructure builders on mental network can know wherever Fala infrastructure. This is the there are the following of the mental structure infrastructure. Launch AI agent in the TEE. Deploy confidential AI models and logic in secure environments, ensuring the tamper-proof execution with full verifiability. Execute off-chain logic with trust. Use Fala as a blockchain coprocessor for secure interference, private Oracle EMV defense, and Web3 access. Tap into the AI agent economic, build decentralized autonomous agents and interact with blockchains and real-world data and while protecting user data and model integrity. Similarly, consumer ecosystem land and Fala Network is offering $400 in free cloud credits to builders and Mantle ecosystem. These credits give developers instant access to Fala Cloud confidential computing environment, allowing them to deploy AI agents, test private DeFi logic or bullet with secure off-chain infrastructure without any friction or upfront cost. To redeem simply use the code mental when signing up for Fala Cloud and start building and be proud environment. Mental scalable layer 2 infrastructure combines with Fala privacy first technology to unlock new possibilities for Web3 together. We are enabling the apps that are fast, confidentially, and capable of the running secure AI DeFi logic of chain, all without relying on traditional data providers, said Morwin Tong, co-founder of Fala Network. What is the app? We discuss about the app on Mantle Network project. Bullet for hyperscale of the Mantle. The app bullet on Mantle benefits from low fees, high scalability, and Ethereum level security. Join us to building the first modulars. You can change the meta can enter capital, magnetum voice, meta can next gen, blockchain, Memorgas Hamloint FBTC. FBTC as a secure, decentralized, and composable BTC assessed amount at liberating Bitcoin true power of growth. FBTC provides a liquid more bracket and more bracket. When network gaming ecosystem we discuss about a gaming ecosystem spotlight, join mental network fast feast and earn from 300k dollar mint prize pool. Mental gaming fast has arrived. Mental Network is turning up with Hyperplay, a Web3 native game store and multi-chain game store aggregator to launch a month-long campaign spotlighting some of the most executing Web3 titles in the mental ecosystem. Event period April 24, 2025, then the 1 MPC prize pool. Join the quest reward distribution. Players will be able to claim their reward directly from the Hyperplayer quest. Uh, Join the quest if you introducing the lineup each week of mental games is all. Week first, April 24 to that April 30. Party icons. Party icons. Uh, Vibrant multi-games metaverse for mobile and PC, combining party-style gameplay with strategic depth and real on-chain rewards. Other words, explore on AI-generated realm full of unaccepted events, unpredictable accounts and load-driven exploration. Week 2 by 1 first and 2001 by 7 on UI door, a drug fancy, mob bragged, where players battle events, waves of the undead in the dread area, so like combined and several mechanism avoid workshop a cozy. Week 2 and my first. I adore a dark, fantasy memorial page where players battle elephants, waves of under in the dread arena, sounds like compound and several mechanic about Bob Chabi Akazi. A cozy from free-to-play idle game set in the Boshi universe designed for casual player. Boichabi offers lore-rich adventure and chill progression. Week 3, May 8, 2025, May 14, 2025. Sport Zero Crush enter a linear site of the Yokai Realm with Sport Zero Crush and vibrant puzzle mini game set in the same universe as the main approach. Match your way through colorful strategies and XP and collect power ops inspired by your favorite companies. Week 4 by 15 2025 by 21. Uh, Welcome back. Holding with games not just for theme, our approach to Web3 gaming. Our approach to Web3 gaming goes beyond funding and creation. We actively co-create alongside builders to help great games scale from early design to global distribution. Co-creation over creation. Unlike ecosystems led solely by investment perspective, Mantle Network Gaming team brings deep experience from game publishing and live operations. Our team members have worked globally, recognized titles like League of Legends, Tap Tap, Crossy Road, Ragnarok, We support Web3 games not just with capital but with hands-on support across token economics and economic design, gameplay law refinement, user acquisition and retention, growth mechanic and incentives, team structure and go-to-market planning, plus traditional ecosystem support including market grants and tax listing. Cooperation over competition. Alt of Web3 gaming is still in its native strategies. We believe success comes from cooperation, not rivalry. Bringing traditional gamers on chain is a shared challenge on that requires coordinated. Many of the game's future in mental game fast and others across our gaming ecosystem began their journey on mental network science. Then we have helped them expand across chain to ensure they have access to the fast resources and support available. Here we are some of four ecosystem game building, L3, E7 and Sport Zero and live on mental network and Aprotum. To check the lock your MNT and claim share 5. MNT reward booster is back, bigger and better on mental rewards starship this time with a 1.5 million meant prize pool. The rules are the same as what you saw with season 1 log event network. Event periods start at April 8, 2025 8 am and end date July 7, 2025. Reward claim to be announced. Please note be that if you already have advanced network logs for reward situation, your MP will automatically be allowed to the network booster pool. Boost your earning. Welcome back. Boards your earning log man network share 1.5 million MNT. Log your MNT to be eligible for rewards, which are calculated based on the amount of MP accumulated and are determined by multiple snapshots a day. MNT rewards are collected using a time-weighted calculation based on the MP logged and other structuring from the uh, don't forget, the longer the log is period, the more MNT power you accumulate and the higher your potential reward. As a reminder, here are the lag in multiples that user can choose for 0 day multiple 1, 50 days 1.3, 100 days 1.5, 200 days 1. Sorry, 303. Climbing rewards participation. Participant can track their estimated dollar MNT rewards on the MNT reward poster page with a mental rewards question. Once of the campaigns ends, user will be able to claim their amount rewards with the confirmed claim period to be the shared in the near future. ETL protocol function partnership with Mind Network. Spotlight Mind Network Question 1001 progress review. Mantle Network Question 1205 progress review. It has purely been quarter of the breakthrough and a milestone for mental networks from protocol upgrades to ecosystem growth. Mental network continues to solidify its position as leading modular chain that is on a mission to become the Laquadly chain of the future with increased adoption of upgrades to our technical architecture and strategic partnerships has been a defining period for mental network in its mission to scale comprehensive look at how mental is setting this the stage for an even bigger rest of the year. And if you missed it, here to steer the ship forward at the helm is Brian Bronzo, Mental Network Chief Growth Officer, who recently joined the team with mental launching, mental banking, and other exciting products this year. We are here to ensure the mental network remains strong foundation for Mental's upcoming banking operation system on-chain metrics approximately 650k daily active user and 3M transactions. MNT total value leaked TVL currently at over 1.2 B and they are table currently crossing the 253M mark with Merchant Boy, Treehouse, Finance, and Aldrin leading in the uh, upgrade over modular architecture with Ingendia and Solutions SPI. So since ZK VM reached mental networks happily a constant, our adoption of Saxonet's SP1 represents a pivotal shift, and this upgrade is set to help the mental network achieved chain friendly within 1 hour, 168x improvement over exciting branding capitalists currently available on testnet. User can try out the Trobos cat and transaction confirmation scored for RIP 7212 net space 1561. Then the signature verification was added, which supports native social logins and mental wear. A type secret extension for Vue was launched to supercharge Boulder's mental network deployment for the apps by offering simplified communication layer for the front end to the network. What is the mental network app from layer 2? Author Alex lecture banned crypto compare shared cover Chancellor finance. A number of the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solutions have emigrated over the year, each aimed at making smart elemental mainnet is live network is now open to all blockchain. Mantle announced the launch of new product Mantle Banking and Mantle Index 4 MI4. Mantle announced the launch of the Mantle Banking and Mantle Index 4 MI4 crypto new banking application and tokenized funds. And crypto assess account function and sports variety. Welcome back. Anyone question me for have UID and I have want to join and start date April 8, 2025, 10 a.m. USD and date July and post your earning log MNT for share of 1.5 million MNT. We check on the back and more back. Advancing Mantle Network, Saucent Mantle. At Mantle Network, we believe that continuous innovation is essential to driving the future of decentralized finance. DeFi and creating a thriving ecosystem for builders and users. With this vision in mind, we are excited to announce our strategic integration with Sunstead SP1, marking a significant milestone in for our technical roadmap was transformation to zero knowledge and valid roadmap of the transaction under secures a mental commitment to delivering cutting edge scalability, institutional grade, security and capital efficiency for the future of Chan finance. Mental adoption of Socient SP1 represents a pivotal shift from our current optimistic role models to a ZK validity roll up. This upgrade significantly enhances the network capabilities, achieving chain finality with one hour with secure one hardware draws mental network position itself much closer to Ethereum L1 economically, enabling after swap market separates lower spell slippage, better money market, improve interest rates and broader access availability by integrating its modular architecture. Engine they had proved data availability solution at ZK proves Web SP1 mentor network is paving the way for a liquid rich and designed for institutional grade settlement and value transfer with the crypto ecosystem. VAS and Stack SP1 fast finality transactions are finalized in just 1 hour, enabling seamless withdrawals and improving user experience. EVM equivalents full Ethereum virtual machine EVM bytecode compatibility ensure developers EVM equivalents full Ethereum, cost efficiency, integrated power, and fees reduce operational cost, full roll-up teams, and minimize transaction cost for user, keeping fees as low as fraction of a cent. Multi-chain feature by aligning with Ethereum security as SP1 supports across roll-up. Developers talks overview network. Mental network is dedicated the building and EVM computer scaling, and this means that all contracts and tools running on Ethereum can operate on the Mantle network with minimal modification. Tasking advantages of its modular architecture. Mantle network combines an optimatics roll-up with various innovative data. Key feature of Mantle network: bullets as a role map, modular architecture, utilize the Ethereum validators and the Consure protocol significantly reduce gas fees, decrease latency, and increase throughput. User can customize transaction confirmation requirement to provide near real-time confirmation latency with animal security. Modular architecture, unlike traditional monolithic chains that execute transaction execution, consume consensus function into individual modules as modular chain. This includes an EVM compatible update notice. Network rules. Welcome to the our node deployment services. This services covers different types of nodes, supporting the normal operation and build various functionalities of the network. Please follow the infrastructure below to configuration and deploy nodes. Available node types, very few nodes. Sequencer nodes. Sequencer are responsible for sequentially packing a transaction into layer 2 blocks, providing a deterministic order for transactions. Currently, sequencer nodes are not yet open due to the security reason. Proposer nodes are used to create new state routes and send them to layer 1. Currently, proposer nodes are not yet open due to the security reason. Batcher nodes are used to bundle a batch of transactions into the block to improve processing efficiency. Currently, batcher data availability nodes ensure we run a rule of verified nodes. There are multiple advantages of running rule of verified nodes. Allow everyone to verify. If you get MNT and you click the badge of the Ethereum and Magnet Moi, Argent Finance, all 6 native X, Fortune Finance, have to check about rewards, mental reward station. How to participate? Lock your MNT to join all the events and earn rewards automatically. What is the mental reward station? The mental reward station incentives MNT holders by offering them exclusive reward and from a mental ecosystem where participants can get easy access to a rewards uh, rewards range of rewards all on paid for the crowded reports of the reward station smart contract. What is the option for leaking my MNT? How work? If user choose to lock their MNT for any fixed lag and period, they won't be able to withdraw their assets until the lock in the period has matured. Those who choose the flexible lag option can withdraw their MNT at any time. Finally, to give user ultimate freedom, we are allowing lags and the multiple bases, meaning you can see both the flexible and fixed lag of the future similarities. Once the facts leak of the how to are the rewards calculated and distributed. User only need to be lack payment on the mental reward situation to go on. Meant power, MNT power can then be allowed allocated to different price floors of the. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.